Everyone thinks going to the snow is expensive. But what if we told you we're heading to Mount Buller on a budget? Join us as we take the bus, skip the pricey stuff, and show you how to enjoy the snow without breaking the bank. Let's go! Hi, we made it. Wow, what a trip. So,
amazing.
Journey started at, what, 3:30 this morning?
Yes.
And here we are, what time is it now? 10 to 9. But here we are, in Mount Buller.
Mount Buller!
Look at the snow. I've never seen this side of Australia before. This is my first time. And, wow, it's so white. So much snow. Check it out. We've got frozen gum leaves.
Amazing.
I know it's a little thing, but I've never seen frozen gum trees before. Yeah, but look at this. It's so beautiful. And we've just been dropped off by the bus, and yeah, this is the first thing we see. Amazing.
Little village.
So how crazy is it that you can be here amongst the snow in Victoria, and tomorrow we could catch a flight, go to Queensland and go to the beach.
Yeah, it's amazing.
In the one country.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think we take that for granted sometimes.
It's amazing.
I nearly slipped on my ass then. So it's slippery. I've only seen snow once in my life, and I was 14 and I was in Germany. It's a long time ago.
I grew up on snow.
You grew
like
up on the
minus
snow?
20.
Yeah.
But it's nice to see here.
Yeah.
Love it. It's different texture of the snow. Here it's more icy, and overseas it's more like powdery and
Powder.
yeah, it's different.
I wouldn't know the difference.
Really?
I mean, it's snow. Like,
Yeah.
it's all the same. What do you think?
It's awesome.
Awesome?
Awesome.
It's not that cold. You reckon?
No, not that cold.
I don't know, it feels okay. If it was any windier, it'd be too cold. It's not really soft, is it? It's not really soft, is it? Eh? Yeah, I don't think you're going to make any snow angels.
No,
No,
at all.
no.
So much fun. Peter is ready for action. Ready. He's ready. Coming. Come on, Peter. Racing hard. Whee! Awesome.
So, we just did some tobogganing. It was the small one, so it's more for kids. But if you've never been tobogganing, it's kind of cool. until you get tired and go, that's enough. But it was funny. Hard work, yeah. These little kids were running laps around us. But we went down a few times and that was enough for now. You can go back all day, can't you? Yeah, so the tobogganing, it's $25 for the day, which is not bad.
Kids, look at how big is snow here. So, bench is in the snow.
Yeah, there's been a lot of snow. So we're going on a little scenic tour where you jump on one of these, what are they called? Trolleys? Lifts. We jump on the lift thing and check out some scenery. Let's see how that goes.
Northern slopes.
Alright, so we've got some tickets. Now we're going to go through these gates. Wow. Oh God. Just like that. Oh my God.
Oh my god! I'm scared! Yes, honey!
This is so high.
Scared!
So just while we're enjoying the beautiful views of Mount Buller, I thought I'd do a little bit of a breakdown for you. First of all, the bus trip, we went through a local business called Oz Extreme. I'll put the link in the description. So they organised the bus trip from Geelong to Mount Buller, and the bus trip is $130 if you book early. It's a return trip and also includes entry to Mount Buller. Also at Oz Extreme, the gear you can see me wearing there, the jacket, the pants and the boots, that was all hired from Oz Extreme as well. So jacket and pants was $57 and the walking boots was about $25 for the hire, and basically you return it the next day. Tickets for the lift was $56, but always check the website as prices may vary. As it is a holiday destination, you will find local prices of foods are a little bit more expensive than you'd normally expect. That's just the way it is. However, you can bring your own sandwiches or snacks or picnics and enjoy that at the snow as well. The lifts for skiing, they can be a little bit more expensive. Again, I'll put the link in the description for Mount Buller where you can check the prices as they do vary throughout the year. So it just depends on when you'll be going. Always check the website first and book early to save yourself some dollars. If you do intend on staying there a night or two, accommodation can be fairly expensive during the snow season, so always make sure you do your homework. There are cheaper alternatives around in the area, so just make sure you do your homework.
So here we are, made it to the top, and it's super cold, even colder at the top.
So cold.
It's freezing.
So cold, guys, and you can't take your
Glasses
glasses
off.
off. It's so bright.
The snow is really ultra bright. So we're on the northern slopes at the moment.
Yeah.
Yep.
They're northern, and we was in the southern. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Anoge?
oh, obviously.
No. Fail. So we got out of the cold
Oh yeah.
and we found this place called, what's it called? Spurs. It's like a American food, sort of briskets and stuff. So we got some nachos and some chips and gravy. And it's only 11 o'clock, but we thought it's time for a Canadian club. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And check the view we got. It's a pretty mad view, I reckon. But yeah, definitely much colder up on this mountain, isn't it? Like down there where we were before, it was okay. It was actually getting hot. I was sweating. I wanted to take my coat off, but up here, I can't even feel my fingers start cramping up. It's that cold. But anyway, let's see how this food goes. So the food came, and we were so hungry, we ate it before we filmed it. But I can show you what's left. That's the nachos with chicken. They were tasty. And that's the chips and gravy. And that's Santa. It was tasty. It hit the spot. Good enough.
Hey, sorry guys, I'm just...
So we took a little detour, some time out to make snowman. You can see it. There it is. Stooge. It's Stooge the snowman. Honey, it's Stooge the snowman. That's his name. Stooge. Right. Stooge.
You look good. You look so good. You want new friends? No.
Nice.
And we are end of our journey. I love snow.
We've reached the end, and now it's time to get back on the bus and go home. It's been a long day. It's been fun. Lots
So
of
much
experiences.
fun. So much fun. I will recommend, highly recommend, go in the snow, have fun.
Go if you haven't checked out the snow, go and do it. It's well worth it.
Yeah. Look at
And-
how much snow. Look here. Look.
That's shit snow.
No, this is
But
snow.
check out that snow over there
Yeah.
on the mountains.
It's huge.
The views
Snow
are
is huge.
amazing. You'll see things you've never seen before. It's great. So just go and do it.
One recommendation, take
Okay.
your goggles with you because it's very bright on the top.
All right. Well, I think
Thank
that's it.
you. Yeah, thank you for watching us.
All right.
And yeah, see you next one.
See you later, guys.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.